Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the environment ready. Close noisy background apps and set focus assist to avoid interruptions. Launch Roblox and choose your initial display mode, windowed if you need quick adjustments, full screen if you want immersive play. Once the game loads, press Alt plus Enter to toggle full screen. This often forces the taskbar hidden. If it doesn't, make sure tablet mode is off, and you are not in a multi-monitor config that keeps the taskbar visible on all displays. Next, you force the taskbar to hide by enabling Automatically Hide Taskbar in Settings Personalization Taskbar. This causes the bar to slide away when a full-screen app runs. If the bar still shows, use Alt plus Tab or Win plus D to reset window focus and then return to Roblox. This often removes the overlay. Also inspect running apps on the taskbar. Some utilities mark themselves always on top. Close or disable those because they prevent hiding. These steps address focus conflicts and system overrides. Finally, complete the fix. If the taskbar persists, restart Explorer. Exe via Task Manager to clear stuck UI elements. This is quick and safe. Make sure your GPU drivers and the Roblox client are updated because driver bugs can keep overlays visible. If problems continue, perform a clean boot to isolate interfering utilities and then re-enable services one at a time. Troubleshooting tip: if restarting Explorer fails, test with a second user account. If the taskbar hides there, the issue is profile-specific.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.